Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepare my version of macaroni salad. So, if you want to know the exact ingredients and how I prepare it, just keep on watching. So I have here 8 ounce drained nata de coco, 2 packs of 250 ml of all-purpose cream, 165 grams of cheddar cheese. I already cut it into small cubes. I have 1 can of condensed milk. I also have 485 grams of fruit cocktail. And I already cooked my elbow macaroni, that is 500 grams. And last but not least, I also have mayonnaise, that is 470 ml. So I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. Sorry, I forgot to mention earlier, I also added 1 can of evaporated milk. So here it is, my version of macaroni salad. Hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye!